guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, my name is Leia, and today it's February 14th. So it's Valentine's Day, it's Hearts Day, and happy Valentine's Day to everyone, and I hope you feel loved today and feeling special. And yeah, so today I'm just gonna share with you how we celebrate Valentine's what we do during Valentine's Day. And yeah, I just want to share. So Gary asked me yesterday if what I want in Valentine's, so I just said to him I don't want flowers, because he got me flowers before, and I feel like I don't want to waste money for flowers, because you know the flowers is, I think for me it's too expensive. So I just said to him I'd rather buy things like new clothes or new shoes or anything, like things that I can use. So yeah, I went to Robinson yesterday, so I bought new shoes. I bought shoes, and yeah, I'm happy with it, and I don't expect him to get me anything. I'm happy with my new shoes. And this morning he surprised me with flowers. I don't expect that. Yeah, but I'm still thankful. I feel loved and I feel special. So thank you so much to Gary, my husband. I love you, and thank you for everything and making me happy. And yeah, and yesterday also I bought like, I'll show you guys. So I bought chocolate. So I made Gary to choose what kind of chocolate he loves. So he loves this. Actually, I also made him before a DIY bouquet in our anniversary. So guys, I made this bouquet. So it was our first wedding anniversary, and there's Gary and Gracie. Gracie's still baby in there. So I made him that one. And also in his birthday last December, I made him a DIY cake. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in the picture. So this chocolate, I'm gonna use it to make a bouquet, and that's the flowers he bought for me. And this is the shoes I got yesterday from Robinson. Okay, and then by the way guys, this is not a surprise, because I made Gary to choose that chocolate yesterday. I made him to choose. I said to him, get whatever chocolate you like, and yeah, so that's what he chose. And Gary loves chocolate, and I made him a DIY cake in his birthday last month, and he's very happy with that. Well, because he doesn't like cake, he doesn't like gift, because if I will he said if he doesn't like gift, because he wants to buy things that he gonna be needed, like necessary things. He's so practical. And I'm about to make Gary's lunch now, and after that I will make this DIY bouquet, chocolate bouquet. And before we start, guys, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I hit 1,500 subscribers today, and I'm so happy, and I'm so thankful. Yeah, I hope everyone feel special and loved today, and happy Valentine's Day to everyone again. And I'm going to make Gary's lunch now before Gracie wakes up, because after that I still have to make Gary's DIY bouquet. And yeah, so let's get started. Let's set aside this, guys. So it's ready to fry, guys. Let's fry also, guys, the other side. No, I'm sorry, guys, I didn't have a chance to show you how I make the garlic rice because Gracie is waking up, so I have to rush to make it. So this is Gary's lunch, some chicken and vegetables and garlic rice. So yeah. Oh, so hi guys, so let's start making the DIY chocolate bouquet. So okay, so I'll show you. So we're gonna need this one. Actually, guys, it's better to use chart paper. I was supposed to buy a chart paper, but I made a mistake. I bought this one, so this is thick. So this is very thick one. So I made so I had to cut it. I had to split it in half. So and I used the half of this, so to make it thin. So this is, I bought two. So this is the one that I made. So it's better to use a chart paper, so it will be look nicer. It will be all black in the front. So yeah. So this, we live in so far from the city, so I just make it work. So yeah, let's get started. We have to do like this first. We'll do this one first before the chocolate. So next Valentine's next year.
Yeah, maybe. Please, guys.
And
Yeah.
are you drunk?
Not really.
I would be on one of those.
Huh?
I'd be drunk if I drank all that.
She's not. Are you feeling tipsy a little bit?
Maybe. Little bit.
Guys, we're about to eat, so we'll try the I have to sit with. I'm sitting with Gary in jail. The kids been eating already, so we'll try the barbecue pork.
Oh.
Yeah,
Nice. But
this is the
this tastes good. Cooking from Kuya Barry.
try.
Happy Valentine's Day, my love.
So sweet. Happy Valentine's Day.
Don't say it with your mouth full. Happy Valentine's Day.
The kids is inside.
That's yummy.
You still wanna go for date tonight?
No, I don't have a date, so I'm sad.
Are you sad?
It's okay. You're happy with my one.
Some people would say you should be happy.
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy.
Don't cry.
No, I'm not crying. Is that tuning man and crying for him? Yeah. My goodness. You think that if I'm drinking beer, I want to eat the rice first. Yeah. If I'm eating if I'm drinking beer, I want to eat the rice first.
You try the chicken. Which one is the best, pork or chicken?
I think it's same.
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 For me, I like chicken more than pork.
No, you don't.
No, I do. What? Hey, you're thinking different pork. I'm only using this every time I eat with Gary. But if I eat by myself, I eat with hands.
I hope you don't.
A Filipino style.
What's your ideal man?
Of course, it's good for me, and of course, he accept my life with my daughter. Accept me. Of course.
Older man or younger man?
It's older for
Not
me.
important.
Older for me. It's not important. It's doesn't for me, but I mean, he accept me or my daughter and loves me and my daughter also.
So
For me,
it doesn't matter.
doesn't matter for me. That's why. The best. I mean, chicken barbecue.
So guys, we will continue eating, and I'm gonna end this video, and thank you so much for watching, and happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Bye bye.
Happy Valentine's. Bye.